Hi guys, Surgical Basics with Dr. Mac here. Today I'm going to show you how to use your hands to two-hand tie. Preparing how to two-hand tie smoothly before you get to the operating room is one of the easiest ways to impress surgeons as a medical student and early junior resident.
Finger guns. Everybody's a loser. Whatever. Pac-Man's hungry. Take a bite. Thumb up. Little snack for Pac-Man. And down the gullet. Okay, then we have the second throw. Everybody's a loser. No, you're a loser. Pac-Man's hungry. Take a bite. Index finger down. Little snack for Pac-Man. Down the gullet. So there's two alternating throws. Each time you're making a loop and either sending your thumb up, like what's happening in this first throw, or in the second throw, again, you make a loop, but this time your index finger goes down. So if you watch, Pac-Man takes his bite, and this time is the index finger going through the loop and pulling the string. Now we're going to speed it up and show you what tying looks like in real time. You want to practice this so you can get the motions down smoothly. Good luck, guys. Practice, practice, practice. Check out my video, Cracking the Code, Learning to Tie Faster, for why I give all the steps silly names.